Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. So if you guys are watching this video, you probably had already watched how I wax my brows. So now we're going to get into how I do my brows, how to get the perfect brows. So I really like doing my brows. I remember when I first started off getting into the beauty and skincare industry. It was brows. I started off with brows. I was doing brows. So anyway, we're gonna hop right into it. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild brown eyeliner pencil right here. Then I'm gonna be using this LA Pro Girl for the top of my lashes. Alright, then I'm gonna be using this LA Pro Girl. This is Fawn, and then this one is Chestnut. So I'm going to use Fawn at the bottom, Chestnut at the top. This NYX setting spray and this sponge, I just like to spray the sponge to set in my concealer. I don't spray too much, just a little bit to have a little damp, and I'm actually going to spray it now. So that's good right there. Okay, and so then let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. So I like to start, sometimes I start at the top or the bottom, it just really depends, but for today I'm gonna start at the bottom. And you can fill them in as thick or skinny as you like. Don't worry about having perfect, having a perfect. So, I mean, this is how to do perfect brows, but don't worry about messing your line up or anything, because that's where our good friend concealer come in at. Then I'm going to take, I forgot, this spoolie, and then I'm just going to brush this. This is going to help give you that ombre look, light to dark. So you want the light to start at the beginning of your brow, and then it should get darker as you go. So then I'm going to go in with that. I don't know if I want to do that. Let me see. I guess I'm gonna go in with Fawn. I'm gonna go ahead and with Fawn, and I'm gonna just put that lightly under my brow. Okay, then I'm going to take that sponge, and I'm just going to lift my eye up, and I'm just going to really blend it in. If I can see, just blend it. So it's still kind of giving me a little highlight vibe ordeal, which is cool. I could have went in with Chestnut too if I didn't want a little highlight underneath my eye. So either or, I did Fawn just to get a little highlight. Then I'm gonna go in with Chestnut. Okay, and then I'm gonna just, I really don't need to put nothing at the top, but I'm going to. I almost kind of want to use my We'll just do chestnut. How about that? So as you can see, that's chestnut. Gonna take that sponge and we're gonna blend it. And that's a brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow. We shall be back. Hello you guys. So okay, I went on ahead and I completed the other eye. So this is what it's looking like. Remember, I used Fawn LA Pro Girl concealer at the bottom, and then LA Pro Girl concealer in Chestnut at the top, just so that it can blend a little better with my my skin tone. And then I'm going to be going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, and I'm just going to brush those. These are just to hold the brows in place and make them look really nice and last long. I really love it because it just kind of like enhance your brows. See, you can see the difference. Look at that. It's really nice. It really holds in the brow. Cause it's bomb. I really like them. All right.